Wrong way. There we go. That's better. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Messing with Mopars. So I got some stuff from Prime, and we're gonna open it up and see what we got. First off, we got a bag. Berry picker. What we got in here? Oh, look at that. We got 1800 degree spark plug wire protectors, a red flavor. We're going to put these on the 66 behind me here. This one. Because we got the spark plug wire, it's all sorted out. Here, I don't know what this is. We'll see. Oh. Diesel energy stuff. Feels like fuel line. Ta-da! That's what it is. Fuel line. So this is 6 amps, so it's return line. And that's for this one behind me here. So, because when the 512 stroker comes back, we're gonna put in a fuel tank that's got a sump in it, so we got a return system on it. We might run a bit of nitrous next season. We'll see. We'll see. Well, let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got some fittings. That's cool. I'm not sure what's in here. It makes a funny noise. Oh, I know what this is. I know exactly what this is. Got us another and fitting wrench. So, socket. Oh, interesting. So C says socket, and then it has the size, and then that's the size for there. And then on this side it says nut, and then that has the sizes. 0, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, cool. Seems pretty nice. So this will just go in our drag racing kit. And then put this stuff here, 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 put this over here. Put it over the table. And then, let's see what we got in here. There's a big box. We got Makita 18 volt compressor, so that's for the track. And we got a little cordless vacuum. I don't know if you've got too much reflection on there, so it's a cordless cleaner, they call it. It's a little vacuum. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Jeebus. There's a lot of tape on there, bud. I think I got it. Yeah, there it is. Got a little brush attachment. Little crack and crevice cleaner. And a little there. This will actually work pretty good for the car. Another crack and crevice cleaner. Well, it's not a crack. Look at that. I don't know if that goes over like that or how that works. We'll figure it out. It's got a little strap that goes on it. Very cool. What else we got in here? No. Another thing, so that'll work good. Little scrubber. Cool. Put that away. This here will not supposed to draw a knife towards you. Not supposed to draw a knife towards you. Because it might go in you. Learn that in Scouts. And that was a long time ago. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at that, eh? That's perfect. Oh, and look. It's got some attachments on it, so you can go fill up a ball, some other little odds and ends. And then, how does this work? Goes like that. You can set it plus or minus to the how much air you want in there. So that'll work good for when we're at the track. What do you think of that? Awesome. All right, thanks for coming along for the ride. I will finish this video and then video putting these on and laying out where they're gonna go, and then I'll bring you over and we'll show you what we did with ignition wires and a couple other things we did the other day. All right, thanks for coming along for the ride.